Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and why it's such a great opportunity and how you can learn it for free. And so I hope you'll stick around and hear what I have to say. Now, I got into affiliate marketing back in around 2014, and when I really started taking it seriously. I put up a website and got some affiliate links. But what I didn't do is I didn't really take an extensive course. And if I had to go back and do it all over again, I would take a good, reputable course from someone who knows what they're doing, or multiple people that know what they're doing. Affiliate marketing itself is not hard. The concept is not hard. Basically, you're promoting other people's products and services. And when you make a sale, you get a commission. And that commission can be a small commission or it can be a high commission. It just depends on what you're promoting and what the merchant or owner of the product or service is willing to pay you. But it could be passive income. If you know what you're doing and you set it up right, you could potentially make money 24/7, 365. There's unlimited niches, unlimited products. You could have multiple websites if you wanted. You could do funnels if you wanted and not even have a website. There's just so many different things that you can do and so many options. So I'm recommending this affiliate marketing bootcamp. It's free. And I'm just going to run through it real quick. The link to this to register is down in the description of this video. So I'm not going to go through everything word for word. This is Russell Brunson. You want to know a lot about this guy. You want to follow this guy and learn from him because he knows what he's doing. He's very successful. And within this training course, you're going to hear from other successful affiliate marketers or people that have their own businesses and they sell products, and they're going to explain the methods. Okay, so I'm not going to go through this, like I said, but if you're kicking around the idea of affiliate marketing, go for it. Okay, the competition may be fierce, but it's still a very viable opportunity for people who are willing to stick with it and learn how to do it right and be ethical about it. Okay, so this is the page that the link will take you to, and you can read through it. You can watch the video, do whatever you want to do, but I hope you'll seriously consider taking this course. Again, it's free. You don't have to put any money up front. And it's really up to you how far you want to take this. But if you're serious about it, definitely this course is one of the best ones around. I have circled around before and I've taken other courses. But this one, in my opinion, is one of the most in-depth ones that you can find for free. Okay, because a lot of the in-depth affiliate marketing courses that you can find are not free. Okay, so check it out, decide for yourself. These are all the people that you're going to hear from, and again, check it out. I also have an affiliate marketing category on my website where I talk about affiliate marketing, since it is one of my primary ways of making money. So I hope you'll check that out as well. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck to you, and sign up to take the course. You can take it at your leisure, so it's not like you have to be there at a certain time or anything like that. This is a training course. It's an online training course. It's videos, and so you can take it in your spare time. But if you're willing to take the course, take notes and be willing, to take action. Okay, because that's a lot of people fail to make money online because they fail to take action, consistent action, and they give up too easy. Okay, so give yourself some time and stick with it, because it will pay off eventually if you stick with it and you do it right. And this course will help you get there. All right, thanks for watching. Good luck to you. Please like, subscribe, and share.